Welcome to Autism Family Story. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the crucial topic of how to set up independent works task system for your children with autism. Whether you're a parent, a teacher, a caregiver, these strategies can help you to foster independence in your child with autism and enhance their learning. Stay tuned as I share practical tips and strategies you can implement right away to enhance your child's learning and foster their independence. Do you know many children with autism struggle with task initiation and work endurance? These are executive functioning skills which your child with autism struggle with. So setting up independent work tasks will significantly boost their independence and also enhance their learning. So let's get to today's video. So in order to set up independent work tasks, you will need a task or a bin, and depending on how much work space is available in your home, you can have multiple of these bins, or you can just have one or two, and then you can switch the task between the bins. So that is the setup of how you will be setting up this work task for your child. Secondly, the main task. What kind of task you can actually put into your child's work task box. So you can have tasks like adapted books. You can have tasks like matching cards. You can have some puzzles. This can be matching words or completing the words. This kind of puzzle, it can be a file folder. If your child is a bit older, then you can set up a work task to enhance on life skills. So now I'm going to show you examples of some of the work tasks in detail. So if you're going with the matching task, then you can just have a simple card with a picture. So this one is for matching clothes. So there is a picture of the sweater and your child will just match the corresponding picture to it. And so accordingly, you will set up the task. In the beginning, you might only start with 2 or 3 cards, and as your child gets better at it, you can increase the number of cards. So you just put the cards into the box, put the cover. Your child can just take the box from the shelf, complete the task, and he is all done. So that's one kind of task. The other kind of task, as I said, will be completing the word. So this kind of task, so it works on academic skills, it works on even reading skills. So this is a great task to put in your task box. The third kind of activity you can put in the task box is an adapted book. So this is an adapted book. You can use these kind of books. So here it says, put the paper clips in the jar. So the corresponding colored paper clips will be on this side. Your child will just have to take the clips and match it by the color. So some more activities your child can do in this kind of adapted books. You can put a file folder, you can put task cards. If your child is a bit older, then you can have a box to work on life skills. So this one, I have a bunch of socks. Your child will just have to sort the socks. And then if you want to extend it, they might even be able to roll them. So great activity for older kids. So I hope you find this video helpful. Share it with a fellow parent, share it with a fellow teacher, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get more information on how to help your child right away. And click the bell button so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new video.